Hello, I'm Mariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting into this beautiful bronzy eyeshadow look. Spring is around the corner, sun-kissed skin is around the corner, so let's get into it. Today's palette is the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. This is a beautiful palette for a bronzy look or a neutral look. Highly recommend. Also, all of the products will be linked down below as well as in the video. First shade that I'm going in with is Maple. This is like a bronzy copper warm brown. This is a really nice brown. I feel like for every skin tone, it's not too dark, but it still will show up if you do have some color or some pigment or some melanin on you. So I took a small blending brush and I put that all up in my crease, and I also winged it out just a little bit, and I'm going in with 2 layers. So this is the second layer, and I'm making sure that the outer corner is a little bit darker than the crease area because this is going to kind of be a winged out smoky eye, bronzy eye look, and we want to make sure that the outer corner is nice and sharp, winged out. Depth is pretty dark out there at the outer corner because we want to create a beautiful wing shape. And then I went ahead and cleaned out my brush, and I'm just going in and blurring out those edges. So this eyeshadow palette and like these eyeshadows are really easy to blend out after you put them on your skin, and they're easy to blend together as well. So the next shade that I went in with was Nude. This is like a nice transition shade, so I placed this right in the area where I buffed out the first shade, so they are touching each other, and this is like key to blending 2 shades together and not taking it or blowing it out and taking it all the way up to the brow bone, because that is what's going to make your eyeshadow look really dark and heavy. You want to make sure that when you do blend shades together, it's a very nice controlled situation. Then I went in with a lighter shade, the whitest shade in the palette, and I just highlighted my brow bone with that. For the shimmer shade, I'm going in with the shade Golden Light. This is kind of like a coppery shimmer shade in the palette. It's not the lightest gold in the palette, but it does have some like yellow tones to it, so this is perfect for like a bronzy look. So I just took that on a flat fluffy brush, and I'm literally just patting it and dabbing it onto the center of my eye. And then I took the lightest shimmer shade in the palette. This is more of a champagne shade. It's like a neutral gold shade, and I put that in the inner corner just to kind of open up my eyes and create that beautiful gradient of going from light to dark from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, we're going in with the shade Truffle. This is the darkest brown in the palette. I'm doing kind of like an eyeshadow eyeliner moment, so we're not using like actual eyeliner, but you definitely can. I was kind of going for like a soft glam kind of situation, so I didn't want to use any harsh black lines or like any harsh really dark colors, so I wanted to keep everything really soft. So I just took a really small brush and I just placed a lot of that dark brown on the outer corner only. I didn't take it too far in because I again want to focus the darkness on the outer corner to create a really nice wing shape. And then I cleaned out the outer corner with some concealer, which is an instant wing, and it also makes both of your eyes look more symmetrical, even if that's a struggle for you. So that's like a little life hack. If you are doing that, make sure that you use a concealer that matches whatever's going on under your eyes. And then we went in with some mascara. So you can definitely stop here, leaving just the top part of your lid with the eyeshadow and then just using mascara, but I'm going to take you through all of the phases of drama through this bronzy eye look. So this is what it looks like with and without lashes. You can definitely wear this as like an everyday look if you like, but we're going to go ahead and add some falsies. So these are the Lily Lashes Invisible Band falsies. These are like half lashes in the style Sensuous. I added these to the outer corner because I want to again emphasize the outer corner, and I'm also going to go ahead and line my tight line with some black liner. This step is not 100% necessary, but I feel like it really does make a difference when you are wearing falsies. It just kind of hides that line of skin under your eyelid, and it makes the look of falsies just a little bit more natural. So moving on to the lower lash line, I took some dark brown liner. This is from ColourPop gel liner in Sunnyvale, and I put that in my waterline, and then I'm going literally just reverse order of the eyeshadow shades that I used on the top. So we used the dark brown and then the transition shade and smoked that out, and then I went in with some mascara. So this is me smoking out the lower lash line. Again, you can definitely stop with just the lashes and a bare lash line, but if you do want to smoke it out and have like the maximum amount of drama out of this bronzy eyeshadow look, then definitely smoke out your lower lash line. And this is the final look. I really love how this came out. I always will love a beautiful bronzy look. It's just a beautiful highlight in the center, in the inner corner, and then it has that drama in the outer corner, and then always like a wing is just always cute. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!